question 14, find the LCM, the lowest common multiple of 7 and 5. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to do multiples of 7 on one line and multiples of 5 on the other line. So multiples of 7 are basically the 7 times table. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Now, we could keep going, as indicated by those dots there, but I always say just do 6 to begin with, because you might get your answer within the first 6, and only do more if you need to. Sometimes you don't get your answer within the first 6, so you have to continue your list. But this one, we'll see what happens. So 5s, we're going to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now, what we're looking for here is the lowest number that appears in both lists. Now, can I see any numbers that are in both lists? No, I can't. Yet. So not yet. So what we have to do, if there's no number that's in both lists, we do have to continue the lists. So continue both lists. And if we just continue both lists steadily until we do see a number that's in both lists, then we'll get our answer. So the next number in the 7 times table is 49. And the next number in the 5 times table is 35. Now, is there a number in both lists? Well, yes. That 35 that's just appeared is there. So we've now got a number that's in both lists, which is 35. So the first number in both lists is the lowest one. So it's the lowest common multiple. It's going to be 35. Now, you might be saying, well, just times them together then. 7 times 5 is 35. But that doesn't always work. And a quick example of where it doesn't always work is 4 and 6. If you times them together, you would get 24. But the lowest common multiple of 4 and 6 is not 24. It's actually 12, because it would go 4, 8, 12, and then 6, 12, 18. And as you can see, 12 is the lowest, not what you get if you times them both together. So it's a very dangerous strategy to just say times them together. It works in this case. It gives you 35, which is the lowest common multiple. It's much better to do lists of the 7 times table and lists of the 5 times table and see which is the lowest. And that way you'll definitely get the right answer every time.